Sanibonani, good day, Bafetu. Welcome to Tiskita. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. Right, sizokhuluma ngama-new signings who are Kaizer Chiefs going to announce this week. Kaizer Chiefs are back from their preseason tour, their Spain tour. Badlale 1-1 draw, 2-1 draws, and that 2-1 loss that we all saw. Right, so what did you learn? I've already there is a show that is running with the lessons that were learned from preseason. I've already done the preseason report. We looked at the goalkeeping department, the defense, and the striking department. And the outcome was that Kaizer Chiefs need goal scoring defender or defenders. In tight games, you need defenders to come in and chip in and score goals, especially from set pieces. You'll remember the likes of Abo Mashamaite. You need a defender like that. And the likes of Abo Msimang, they need to come in, they need to pop in, they need to show personality. When a game are tight and they need to chip in with a goal or two. Your defenders, the best defenders in the world, they score around 4 or 5 goals in a season in all competitions. So Kaizer Chiefs definitely need a defender like that. However, defense, as Bonilla from last season, Chiefs being a so-called good defense. It was, however, in midfield and in strike force where they were found wanting. So Kaizer Chiefs, their midfielders, they need to score goals, and the strikers, they need a prolific striker. So that's where Kaizer Chiefs definitely need to strengthen. So who are they going to announce? When we look at our exits, we saw the likes of Abo Matlo joining Stellenbosch, Sirino joining Devon City, Untwari joining Kruger United. Those are exits. McCarthy has joined Sabah. Good luck to him. Let's hope that he can qualify for the UEFA Champions League. That would make his father proud and all of us, Ikosi Nation, proud. And Umako, guys, from the game against Ulche, he did not play. We saw Uri Frostler slotting in at left back, so that means Umako is injured. Should Kaizer Chiefs sign another left back? I don't think they're going to sign another left back because Ukwesa has been promoted to slot into that position. So I think they are covered. We are covered in that space. And then, in terms of the entrance, who's come in, we know that Ulina, he's come in. I don't think he's going to displace Peterson, but I think he will be, he'll give him a better competition. And in Guma Cup, the coach will be able to make rotations. And also remember, Bruce Vuma, he is a good goalkeeper himself, and we also have another goalkeeper, Mazamba, who made his debut last season. And goalkeeping department is definitely covered. And we saw also Thabo Moloisane coming in into the team. So Thabo Moloisane, probably a good replacement for Eden McCarthy. And then also remember Roshwin Dudley is also coming into that left center back position. So he will be like a new signing. That is Roshin Dudley. Right, guys. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. So who are Kaizer Chiefs? Where should they strengthen? Siyabona laphayana balokhuzana. They've been silent in this transfer window. We know that Kaizer Chiefs, they always say the marketing director is always signing players in the media, and he uses the media to sign players. So Kaizer Chiefs have definitely been silent in this transfer window. So why are they silent? I think it's a good thing for them to be silent and not be making a noise with Bafuna Bani, because other teams are able to go after those players and sign them before Kaizer Chiefs. So it makes sense for the team to be quiet. So which players are they going to sign, or which players are linked with Kaizer Chiefs? It's just pure speculation. The new signings are going to be announced this week before this coming Friday. The new players are going to be announced before the Toyota Cup. So potentially we wish that we're going to see some of these new players before the World Cup. But don't go anywhere. I will tell you which players have been as being linked with Kaizer Chiefs, and which players or which new signings can Kaizer Chiefs fans potentially look forward to seeing the team unveiling?
Now here's a story on Thapelo Maseko, somewhat of a World Cup hero for Bafana Bafana. He scored that goal against South Korea that paved the way for a historic round of 32 passage for the national team. Now his future is in limbo at the moment. Remember, Thapelo Maseko belongs to Mamelodi Sundowns. He's on their books but spent the last 7 months on loan at AEL Limassol in Cyprus. They were keen to make the deal permanent, but as are the rules regarding loan players, unless there's an agreement for the players to stay permanently or on a longer loan term agreement, Thapelo Maseko went back to Mamelodi Sundowns. Sundowns currently in Austria, and I'm told Thapelo Maseko at home has been omitted from that travelling squad, which means the club has given him the green light to begin discussions exploring another loan option or a permanent exit from Glorkop. That's the latest regarding Thapelo Maseko, unlikely to play for Mamelodi Sundowns this upcoming season. For more updates on transfer news, Betway Premiership, keep it locked on all my social media platforms. Hari Hing.
All right, guys. So which players are going to be announced by Kaizer Chiefs this week? We need to look at the midfield where the team has been lacking. Kaizer Chiefs desperately need a defensive midfielder. Ibrahim Pante being linked with Kaizer Chiefs. Maromo Gallant's midfielder has also commented that it would be a dream move to sign for Kaizer Chiefs. That being taken as a hint that he is coming to Naturena. So it's pure speculation at this time. That is another player. Don't be surprised if you see Upante being announced this week. Another player that is linked with Kaizer Chiefs. We know that his agent, Mike McCabe, has offered the player to Kaizer Chiefs. Are Kaizer Chiefs going to bite? That is in a Durban City midfielder. If you've been watching the show, please drop his name on comments. But guys, it's fine. His name is Pochenpoel for those of you who did miss that show. So yeah, guys, I've already told you that Kaizer Chiefs are linked with Pochenpoel, whom his agent has offered to Kaizer Chiefs. There's also Usisi. Unfortunately, Kaizer Chiefs missed out on Golden Arrows Cisse. They were interested in signing him up. However, they've missed out to, I think it's URS Royal from Belgium. So he's going to play in the same league with Abu Mfukeng. That is Cisse. Kaizer Chiefs missing out on that midfielder. And also another player that you can expect Kaizer Chiefs to announce. Don't be surprised if you see Upili. We know that there's uncertainty surrounding Upule Modi and also Kaizer Chiefs Usirinyo Simbonile. So Kaizer Chiefs need attackers. Simbonile uvele laphayana ku-preseason scoring 2 goals and also making 2 assists. So yeah, he's certainly raising his head, Valibai. However, Kaizer Chiefs still need to strengthen in terms of the attacking department, because Kaizer Chiefs did not do so well in the attacking department last season. And they've also lost Claude Lilepo. Claude Lilepo is set to be announced by another team somewhere there in Africa, in Libya, for Libyan Giants. I think it's Benghazi. So yeah, that is Ulilepo. So Kaizer Chiefs are losing a lot of players in those attacking spaces, and still I don't think they should let Pulemodi leave because Lilepo has been signed. So yeah, Kaizer Chiefs expect Upili. There's also another Brazilian striker, Bruninho, but it's Fernando da Cruz's requested player. So yeah, you can also expect another player or two. I'm still doing some digging around. Fernando da Cruz also wants to bring in 1 or 2 of his own players from his time. Players that he identified from his time at Morocco. So yeah, you can at least Kaizer Chiefs to announce at least 3 or 4 signings this week. So yeah, guys, That is all I have for today. You saw in TS Galaxy, they announced, I think it was about 8 players. So yeah, let's hope Kaizer Chiefs will also do the same and announce ama-players. Simbonile uTito, bamnikezile number 10, former Kaizer Chiefs Development Academy being announced at TS Galaxy. So yeah, Bafethu, let's hope, let's be patient and let's wait for our announcements. It's going to come this week. Let's hope, hopefully, we can see some of the new signings badlala laphayana ku-Toyota Cup. That's all I have for you guys today. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.